Okay, folks, now that we've got a pretty good understanding of theme, it's time to take that knowledge of theme into a essay. You will be working on this, outlining it, and then drafting it during the rest of class here today. So what I've done is put some documents on Google Classroom to help you out with this assignment. You're going to just go to Google Classroom. You've got the choice novel outline. You've got a choice novel theme essay. We're going to start, of course, with the outline. But again, your assignment really here is to go ahead and outline this essay. You're going to write an essay proving a theme in one of the novels that you read. Develop a thesis that states this theme, and then support it with 3 CER paragraphs. So if I go to that document on Google Classroom, again, it's right here. It looks something like this. We've got our thesis on the top, and then you've got the places to write those CER or SIR paragraphs. Now, some people get confused when we say thesis and theme in the same sentence. Your thesis is the controlling idea of your essay. And we'll use this term thesis for multiple different essays. This particular essay is about theme, though. So you want to make sure that your thesis is going to include the author's name, the title of the text, so we know what the heck you're talking about, and then also the theme statement. What theme do you think is present in this novel that you read over the past month or so? So once you've got a theme statement, you're going to start coming up with the reasons why you think that theme is in your novel. So you're going to make a claim. Maybe something happens. Maybe there's a character that has a certain characteristic. Maybe that relates to your theme. You're going to find different reasons why you think this theme is present, and that's what these CERs are. So tell me what you think that reason is. Support it with some more evidence from the text. Maybe a quote would be a good thing to have here. And then make sure you explain your thinking in the reasoning. Explain how your evidence and your claim help support this theme. You'll do that 3 times. We'd like you to do it 3 times, though it says optional on that third one. See if you can find 3 different reasons why this theme statement is true. If you can, you'll have a pretty darn good essay. And that's what we'll get to next. By the way, if you need any books, you should have books still checked out to you. You haven't turned those in. But if you are going to do the other book, we'll have some copies in the back. Just don't take those ones with you because they're not checked out to you. Once you've got your outline, though, like I was saying, make sure that you are going to this next document. It says Choice Novel Theme Essay. This is where I've just set up the document for you. Everything is formatted for you, so just fill in your name, the teacher, period, date. All this stuff is already double spaced and indented, so you can just begin typing at the beginning of these sentences and then I guess eventually delete what I've got there. But everything should be right where it is, including the title. I think if you can come up with a thoughtful, creative title, give it some thought, make it original, make it something that maybe makes me want to read it or at least have something to do with what this essay is about. You'll have an introductory paragraph where you are going to include, again, that title, author, and the theme that you think is present in that novel. That's your thesis. And you can go these CER paragraphs right here. This is where you're typing out these into a paragraph. Keep in mind that as you're outlining, this does not need to be full sentences or anything like that. Just make sure that you have those ideas down and kind of organized in this little chart. We'd like you to have an essay draft by next class, so please try to get that done. Try to take it from that outline stage into some paragraphs so that we have something to work with from here. That's all I got for you. You have the rest of class to kind of get started outlining and then drafting. Help each other out. Email me if you have big concerns. I'll try to help you out as best I can, and we'll see you next week. I hope you have a great weekend.